What's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome to your Express Booty Bodyweight Blast. Try to say that really fast. Booty Bodyweight Blast. So in this workout, we are going to be sculpting our lower half, all angles of our booty, our thighs, our legs, and also getting in a nice sweat. We're gonna get started right away since this is Express, and let's come down for a bodyweight squat and pick it on up. Nice work, you guys. We're starting simple, but have no fear, because this is gonna get tough. And in just, under 15 minutes, you're gonna feel this burn. But I need you to give me 110%. So make sure you're squeezing those glutes at the top right here. Squeeze and back down. Nice work. Inhale to exhale. Now can you get lower? Get lower, all the way down. Nice work. Pushing off those heels. Keeping good posture for 3, 2, last one. We're gonna hold at the bottom. Hold and pulse for 10, 9, 8, I'm gonna turn towards you just a little bit. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Do not go anywhere, stay right here. We have an in and out squat, but low impact. So we're coming in for that narrow squat to that wider squat. Nice work. Again, good posture, staying low. Beautiful. You're gonna start to really feel this. Firing it up, baby, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, lateral double squat walk. We're staying low that whole time, and I'm telling ya, you can do a lot in just 10 minutes with your booty. I don't know if that sounded really weird, but I meant it as a workout. My team's laughing at me and I'm laughing at myself right now. I love it. Woo! You can do a lot with your booty in 10 minutes. That's right, baby. Here we go. For 4, 3, 2, nice work. In 1, we're holding right here. We're coming down and we have some skiers. So we're gonna drive those arms back and right back up. Ski it out. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. Now coming onto your tippy toes just a little bit if you can. Exhale. Really drive those hands down and hinge back. Great. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. We have a side lunge up next. So catch your breath right here. What we're gonna do, take one side, sticking on one leg, side lunge, push off, and together. Side lunge to lift. Again, making sure you're pushing off that heel. Inhale to exhale. Keeping the chest tall and strong. Nice work. Now, we're gonna add a knee drive to the top. Great. Now, utilizing your arms as well, I want you to give me a nice little cross at the top. Beautiful. And exhale as you get to the top. Inhale, exhale, great. 4, 3, 2, we are not done with these side lunges. In 1, we have a side lunge to a kick. Nice work. Kick it out. This is the blast. The booty to the blast. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2. Taking that same leg that's kicking, we have static leg lifts. Beautiful. Now catching your breath right here. Inhale through the core. And exhale, let it go. Great work. Slow and steady for those outer thighs. Core tight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, other side, how we feeling? Good? Spicy booty. We're coming down and we're coming up. We're coming down and up, great. Again, pushing off that heel. Inhale to exhale, great. Now, are you ready? Next step. Taking that knee drive up and down. Great. Up. Exhale at the top. Wonderful. Shoulders back and down. 2 more. Then we got that lunge to a kick. Last one. Lunge to kick. Great. Lunge. Kick it out. Release that stress. I used to say in my old videos, I just remember it so clearly, when I was like 25, 24, I used to do this and be like, kick your ex-boyfriend. We hate him. I was like going through a breakup and I was like, every time we were doing kicks, I was like, kick him. We hate him. And the growth is real, let me tell you. Last one. Leg lifts. The growth is real because I would never kick my husband. We're married, we're happy, but I still like to think about that anxiety release. I think that's really what I was saying. Nice work, you guys. Beautiful. We have 4, 3, 2, great. Last one, plant that foot wider, just like this. I want both toes squared up. Now, we did lunges to each side. Now we're going lunge straight into the other side. More of a cardio move. Let's add those arms and windmill it out. Get low when the whistle drops. Nice work. Again, keeping the chest upright. Great. Really sit back, push off your booty for 8, 7, you got it, 6, 3, 2, stay right here in 1. Feet are still wider. You're gonna turn those toes diagonally out. We have a plie and right back up. Great. Plie down and squeeze at the top. Inhale to exhale. Inhale, almost like you're pulling a rope towards those hips as well. Pull and hold. Wonderful. Inhale and squeeze those glutes at the top. We're gonna hold for a pulse in 3, 2, last one, hold and pulse and pulse. Here we go. Woo! Nice work. Add a tiny little bounce. Woo! Woo! Here we go. 8, 7. We're not getting up after this, all right? So stick with me for 4, 3, stay right here, 2, lift a heel up in 1. We're pulsing 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch immediately in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're coming down and lift, down and lift. Wonderful. Now, if you can, raise up on those tippy toes, a tiny calf raise at the top. Inhale to exhale. Beautiful. Jazz hands for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. Shake it off. We have curtsies up next. Are you ready? Okay. Another angle of our booty and our thighs. We're coming down. Back to center. Other side. Down. Great. So just breathe it out. And exhale. Wonderful. Now your upper body's upright. Your core is tight. What I want from you guys now is a double pulse. Double pulse, back up. Double pulse, back up. Double, back. Great. Hopefully your booty's on fire. Now, we're gonna add again that kick. Are you ready? Kick your ex-boyfriend. Yes. Beautiful. Double pulse. Kick. Double pulse. Kick. Yes. I love a good kick. Seriously though. I feel like it makes cardio fun. Plus, it Doesn't matter how high you kick, doesn't matter how low you kick, just try your best. Great. For 4, 3, 2, we're not done with these curtsies. Don't go anywhere. In 1, curtsy to squat. We're staying low. Here we go. Blast it out. Inhale, exhale. Stay low the whole time as you squat to curtsy. Squat, curtsy, getting all angles of those glutes. And my body, my booty is on fire for 4, 3, 2, we're picking it up in skaters for that last burnout in 1. Come on, skaters, here we go. Picking those legs up off the mat. Get low, get low. Little baby side hop. To keep it low impact, you're right here, just step touch. Low impact, but if you can, give me that nice hop in between. Nice work. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're ending the way we started. Bodyweight squats. Are you ready? Take it down and up. Catching your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Awesome. 10 more. Finish it strong. Go at your own pace. You guys crushed it. Breathe into the nose and exhale. Here we go, almost there. Finish it strong for 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. Body weight, booty, blast, under 15 minutes. Look at that, you're breaking a sweat, I hope. I am over here. My booty and legs are on fire. My thighs feel strong. Love to see it. Thank you guys. I'm so out of breath. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Oh my gosh, I have sweat dripping down my tummy. Sweat dripping all over my body. I'll see you guys at your next daily workout. Mwah.